Do you know how to pronounce the vowels in Spanish? It's pretty simple compared to English. Let's see. In English, vowels don't always have the same pronunciation when placed in a word. An example using the letter A. Map, name. Same vowel, different pronunciations. In Spanish, however, we pronounce the letter A as A. A. All the words with an A inside will have the same sound. Casa, salón, canoa. The same principle applies to the other vowels. E, I, O, U. So we would say casa, perro, piscina, comida, puerta. So remember, the letters A, E, I, O, U will sound in Spanish as A, E, I, O, U. Simple, right?